Okay, we see the SPY is still in this channel, so it's something that needs to be taken aware that it's still in this downtrend channel. Still have bearish MACD, still have it below the 10 and the 50. Um, and we need to see and remember this 200 is not a net. It's that's actually something that was shown to me. You should follow John Borman. Uh, I saw him at a market technicians association meeting, and that was something that he definitely stated that was kind of cool. That this is not a net to catch or to do that. That's going to stop it from going down. So if you look at the SPY, which is the ETF of that, this level is pretty much at the 38 fib. So we kind of got to see if it's going to hold if we get down there. But you could see it's still in a downtrend. Let me kind of just clean this up a little bit. And you could definitely see that we have a downtrend going on right here. And, some people might say, is it a wedge? Or I'm not even going to get into that with you guys. We'll see what it is and go from there. But right now we have a downtrend. So we just have to be very, very careful because the volume is light because it's August and continue to protect profits. There are things that are working. The composite is actually the strongest one out of them all, and you can definitely see that from the chart. I mean, it's still sideways. We've been pretty much trading sideways. It's going to be almost a month and a half, so this is a hard thing to trade, and it can get you chopped up. So you want to make sure that you're looking at strong names that have some good follow through when they do break out. We got the Russell. The Russell needs to definitely clear. Same thing, it had this little wedge pattern and broke down. We want to see if it can clear this level to get back to the upside, and this is around the 1040, 1050 level. So we just got to see what's going on with that and make sure the indexes are where it is, and we just have to make sure that we're doing the right thing. JP Morgan, I don't know if this is another flag setting up to the downside. You could take this, stretch this out, and is it another flag to the downside? We kind of just go from there. We look at Citigroup. Citigroup, is it another flag to the downside? Goldman Sachs. Remember I said around that 150, 152 area, and it bounced a little bit, but is it just a dead cat bounce to go back to the downside? Tesla just needed a break. I'm not looking, that get short at all. You can actually see the selling volume is drying up as well to the downside. So kind of just got to see what it is. And let me see what actually the Dow closed at, because this, so it's plus 15 it says. So I mean, it is what it is, but I wouldn't be looking, especially with the long weekend, because remember Monday is a trading holiday and the volume is going to be a little bit light because people start leaving early. I took a position in GMCR that is working out pretty well. I'm going to be rolling up my stops to protect profits. DDD had a really good day today. Tango is setting up nicely, and we'll kind of see what goes on with that. Jazz as well was moving good to the upside. Continue, really good day today for that stock, and looking to approach these highs and continue. So stuff is looking pretty good. You just got to be careful. Let's look at Facebook. Facebook, it needs to get above this level right here. So we'll see what happens. See what if you miss a move, you miss a move. It's no problem. Apple. Apple to me is not showing me anything of some real strength or anything like that. So we just got to see what's happening with that. And Google is testing this previous swing level right here. And we really have to be careful because if it breaks down there, you definitely can, you can run. And you can run, they keep touching these things. You can run down to this 1818 level and get back to this. And like I said, this 200 is not a net, so it's not going to catch it. You don't want, it might be one of the stronger MAs, but not me, not here right now. So really got to see what's going on. That banking sector is not looking healthy, and the tech sector, NASDAQ is. So choose your weapons wisely, and cash is always a position. and sometimes the most profitable when you don't know where things are going. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and take care.